guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here today. I'm actually out in the rabbit barn and I am dirty. I finished all of the spring cleaning of the cages, which I hadn't gotten done yet. Yes, I know it's almost August, but with my surgery and stuff unexpectedly, I got way behind. So today was the last day of all of that. So the cages are now sanitized and all the fur and hay and everything has been burned off from them. But I wanted to hop on today to show you, and this video is actually going to be in clips once I get done talking here, because that's, and I know this is terrible lighting, that's kind of how we did the video, trying to figure out how to do this project. And this is a project I have been talking about since January, I think, which is the, let me walk out here. I hung my flag today. Scott got me that for Christmas, and it doesn't fly well out here. It gets ripped easily. So I'm going to turn you around. Oh, you guys remember the tube that I said I had a project for? This is what we've been working on today, and I'm going to show you how we did this. I've got video clips of that. And actually, this is just jerry-rigged right now, and you can see one of the babies is down right there. This is the Omlet cage and the tunnel, and they are, I have 3 red English Angoras. Oh, there are 2 out there now. They figured out how to use the tunnel. I'm so excited. I have 3 red male English Angoras that I haven't sold yet, and they have been encaged together, and I wanted to get them out. And, we decided to do this today. The reason I've been putting it off, we planned on doing it this spring. That got pushed back because of everything that went on. But I've been debating on where to put this thing. I was originally going to put it on the other side of the rabbit barn, but it would kind of be out into the yard, and I wanted it off to the side a little bit more. And so it here, and I decided not to disrupt my little flower garden here, and so we put it off the back of the garage here. So this is my rabbit barn, and my chickens are and were right in here. And I've had this blocked off before when I get baby chicks. Oh, there's one of them right there. I put baby chicks in here, and the big hens are over there, and they have outside space. And so Scott and I cleaned this all out today, and I still have access. I do have to move their food and water. I have access to the chickens right here. I just have to open the door. And so we drilled a hole here, and the tunnel goes down that way. So this is going to be the new rabbit area, and it's perfect. So yeah, one of them is in here. The other 2 you saw out there. That project is what we have been working on today. It is a bit late, by about 7 months. No, actually, when I got that in January, the reason I got it in January was because there was a big sale, and so I had a coupon code off from them. I will check again and see. Sometimes Omelet, I'll put all the links below to the stuff I have. I have the rabbit hutches, the Omlet rabbit hutches. I have the Omlet chicken hutch, which I'm going to walk around and show you real quick. This is not going to be a stable video. Chicken coop for the free range chickens out here. I have 6 of them in that, and then I have my 2 rabbit hutches. You can see the girls out there. One of them was busy last night. I need to get in and clean this up. This is the last thing not finished this year, which is the stone and pea stone on the rabbits' ground out here. That's the last thing I have to do. Everything else is caught up around here, which I'm very excited about. But I just wanted to show you that, and I'm going to throw clips in here of how we put it together and show you. There's the boys out here. I got to figure out how to get this. I think Omelet does sell covers for this, which I'll need to get or figure out. This is just an old awning that we had. hook, put some hooks on it and make that work too, which I actually might do. I could cut it into pieces and use the pieces very easily. But what I was saying before, and I got sidetracked, Omlet has given me a code before, and so I will check back with them and see if I can get you a code. I love their products. Obviously, I have quite a few of them, and it makes more with the rabbits. The chicken coop is amazing. I know they have a bigger one out now since I've gotten mine that you could have, and there is a walk-in cage or a walk-in run that you can get with the chicken ones too, which is really awesome. They are a bit pricey, but comparatively, they're super easy to put together. They're easy to hose out and stuff, easy to clean. And so depending on what you're thinking of doing, they're really, really good products. And so, yeah, I'm going to put in the rest of the clips here of how we did it. But thanks so much for being here today, guys, and I hope you're creating something. Okay, so you want to talk about what we just had to do because I didn't get it on film?
Yeah, are we live?
Yes.
Welcome to Tailspin Farm once again. Scott, I took over the channel for a bit, now I'm back to take over it again. So we're building this outdoor, indoor hutch deal. And so I cut a hole in the siding of Renee's chicken barn. Poor chickens are gonna lose some square footage, but it's too bad for them. The rabbits need to be cared for, and that is the deal. So we put this unit on, the Omlet. Instructions were pretty good overall. I'd give that a thumbs up. Nothing confusing. A little bit of confusion on getting this secured. So this is going to be, this tube will allow the bunnies to run up in and go inside. We'll do that at night. That way we can lock them in so that no predators can get into the indoor. So it's worked out great for the years we've been here. So we want to do the same thing. So we got this indoor, outdoor. Now we've got another colony situation. No more colony wars with this guy going on, I don't think. I think the real key will be feeding them up and getting them to go inside at night, but well, maybe it will be another colony wars. We're gonna find out. So this is a pretty cool situation, right? Door, bunnies run in, done deal. Omelet hutch, 2 thumbs up. We'll see how this works. More to come in a bit.
Talk about the angle on that tube that we just had to do.
So there's an angle on this tube. Took us a minute to figure this out. But the reason for that angle is so that it can angle down to go to the ground so that you can feed this into a cage situation that's on the ground. So it's pretty cool actually. And the way this is perforated will allow the bunnies to run up it pretty easy. You'll see the holes. So, you know, if bunny goes potty while they're in the tube, out it goes. Perfect situation with these perforations.
And
also
rain.
allows them to breathe.
Rain will go right through.
Yep, the rainwater will seep right on through. Yeah, so should work out pretty slick. We're gonna find out. We'll put some bunnies in there tonight. I just have to, we have to finish getting this connected to the cage unit and should be pretty slick.